l'air. Pas de monde dans caille là?
Maté ça là, mes amis, comme maté ça. M'te gen rendez-vous encore. Ça ou gen? Moi la gauta c'est moun qui gen sac ciment dans la gauta, tellement lourd.
Listen, my man, I was in the States, so I just come to take the Petrocarbis money.
Qui ça? Ça ou dit ouais là?
The money! L'argent Petrocarbis. All the Haitian people are crying. There's no more food, no more gas. You see, man? What do you think you do with the money, man? Come on, man.
Attendez, bon tout ça en anglais. I was in school many years ago. I know how to talk a little bit. If I had the money, you're not gonna see my house like that. It's that house.
Come on, man. Come on, man. You're part of the government. Come on, man. You have the money. Come on, man.
About you want to casser my house ou pas? Part of the government, part of the government. And you don't see me have a car like conk. Part of the government. This is my feet are my car. My feet are my car. I can go everywhere I want. This is my car. I don't can give it to you. For sure, I don't can give it to you.
So what dit comme ça? C'est pas you don't can. C'est you can't. Ok, dépêchons, moi besoin aller. Al chercher comme là-bas moi pour moi aller. Dépêchez-vous.
I have it, but I don't can give it to you. Listen, you knock at my door, go. That's not to knock at people door like that. Two, you really somewhere, you really somewhere. Oh, I come to take the money of Petrocaribe. What is that? I don't have it back in my house. How old are you?
26, okay? 26 ans.
Ah, you too old for that money. Go to another house. Et puis, advertise pas comme le samedi. Go to another house.